Lots happening in the weather the next few days, so let's get into the details. Overnight into Thursday, we've got a front bringing showers for the southern coastline and also rain and showers expected in KwaZulu-Natal. High instability values from later afternoon there in Mpumalanga and Limpopo. A few of those storms could likely become severe due to high instability values. And then by Friday, we also have a steep trough developing, expected to bring down stormy conditions from the evening over northwest and especially into Saturday here, switching over the Northern Cape, Northwest and Free States, and those stormy conditions later moving over the Eastern Cape, KwaZulu-Natal, redeveloping on Sunday, shifting a little bit more northeastwards over Gauteng, Limpopo and Mpumalanga. This is a heads up. Stormy conditions are expected this coming weekend, and I'm sure the Weather Service will issue warnings, so look out for the detailed forecast on Box Weather on Friday. But for now, let's look at your details for this Thursday. As mentioned, behind that front, we're expecting an onshore flow to keep things cool and rainy at times along the southern coastline. Also mostly cloudy conditions with showers on and off in KwaZulu-Natal, becoming scattered over the northern coastline, and then scattered storms expected from late afternoon in parts of Limpopo and Mpumalanga, especially along the Escarpment and surrounding regions. That's where the South African Weather Service has issued a yellow level 2 warning. A few of those storms could become severe, results in a hailstorm or a quick heavy downpour, with also a yellow level 1 warning for high seas expected along the coast of the Western Cape. We can see behind that front, we are expecting strong westerly winds on Thursday morning along the southern coastline and then spreading along the east coast throughout the day. The wind also picking up a bit there in Gauteng, a fresh southerly breeze for the Western Cape, and becoming strong here over the northern coast of the Northern Cape and the southern coast of our neighbouring country. Zooming into the Western Cape, we can see the wind picking up here over the coastal regions, remaining quite cool at times, temperatures only about 20 degrees, but it's quite chilly here in the Overberg and parts of the Boerlands, where we are expecting lots of cloud and also that onshore flow expected to bring in a cool and rainy weather for the southern coastline, with maximum temperatures only peaking at about 15 degrees, and much cooler conditions also expected in parts of the Little and Central Karoo. This onshore flow also expected to bring in cloud and light showers for the Eastern Cape, but mainly we're expecting strong winds to pick up over the coastal regions throughout Thursday, later blowing strong between East London and Port St. John's, with that onshore flow also pushing in cloud for KwaZulu-Natal. Isolated showers throughout the day with scattered showers over the northern coastline and near Richards Bay, but warmer over the northern regions. And then temperatures expected in the mid to upper 20s for the high faults of Mpumalanga. Later that breeze picking up a bit and then becoming stormy there over the escarpment and the mountainous regions, especially in the vicinity of Mbombela and the eastern escarpment. That's where we've got that yellow level 2 warning in place. A few of those storms could become severe due to high instability values in the low felts of Limpopo and Mpumalanga, especially over the escarpment regions. In northwest, a sunny and hotter day and becoming a little bit breezy over the eastern regions, where we've got a high fire danger in place. And then in the Northern Cape, strong winds blowing along the coast, keeping things quite cool at times. Temperatures only around 20 degrees, as well as here over the southern part after a cold day in Sutherland, but warming up in the north. It's a sunny day for the Free State with maximum temperatures in the mid to upper 20s, a high of 27 for Bloemfontein. Same in Gauteng, sunny skies and heating up the afternoon, but becoming windy, so it's going to be dusty at times, and the Weather Service warning against runaway fires, so please just be cautious. On Friday, as mentioned, we've got a few storms later moving down here over northwest and isolated storms for the high veld, the Free State, and then berg winds also warming up the west, where it's going to be significantly warmer, and a northeasterly wind blowing along the coast of the Eastern Cape. Into Saturday, becoming stormy here over the eastern regions of the Northern Cape, thunderstorms shifting eastwards over northwest, the Free State, where we most likely will see a warning being issued, and then later stormy conditions reaching the Eastern Cape, KwaZulu-Natal, as well as parts of the Highveld. Be on the lookout for any weather warnings and stay safe, everyone.